In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a battery in a 2017 and 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. First thing you're going to do is remove these plastic clips with a trim tool. Then remove this part of the air intake. Then use a 10mm to remove the ground cable. Then use a 10mm to remove the positive cable. Then use a 12mm to remove the battery hold down bracket. Then you can remove the battery. Now you can install the new battery. Install the battery bracket, tighten it down with the 12mm. Then you can install the positive battery cable, then the negative. These are both 10mm. Then reinstall your air intake. Then you can push both of these retainer clips back in. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this. That saves you time so you can get more done.